Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, your teacher, your friend. So in my previous video of the same chapter, The Brave Girl, I told you that I'll be providing you some extra questions for the better understanding of the chapter. So here I am ready with the extra question. So let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the central figure in this story? So the answer is the central figure in the story is Helen Keller. Question number 2. What happened to Helen Keller when she was around 2 years old? And the answer is Helen Keller suffered from a terrible fever that left her blind and deaf when she was around 2 years old. Question number 3. How did growing up in a world without sound and light affect Helen? So the answer is growing up in a world without sound and light left Helen fearful and confused. Question number 4. Who came to teach Helen when she was 6 years old? And the answer is Annie Sullivan came to teach Helen when she was 6 years old. Next question, question number 5. What unique understanding did Annie Sullivan have of Helen's situation? Annie Sullivan had been blind herself but had recovered her sight after an operation, so she understood exactly how Helen felt. Next question, question number 6. How long did Annie Sullivan stay with Helen? Answer number 6. Annie Sullivan stayed with Helen for 50 years. Question number 7. In what roles did Annie serve in Helen's life? The answer is Annie served as both Helen's teacher and friend. Question number 8. Who taught Helen the alphabet and how did she do it? So the answer is Annie Sullivan taught Helen the alphabet by tracing the shape of the letters on her palm. Question number 9. How did Helen learn the meaning of words? Answer number 9. Annie wrote the word water on Helen's palm and poured water on it repeatedly until Helen realized what the word meant, thus making the connection between words and objects. Question number 10. What did Helen do after college? So the answer is Helen raised money for charities that supported the blind and deaf communities and also wrote 50 books after college. So question 11. What qualities did Helen possess that helped her overcome her disability? So answer for this, Helen demonstrated courage and determination, which were essential qualities that helped her overcome her disability. And the last question, question number 12. What can we learn from Helen's life when facing difficult situation? So the answer is from Helen's life we can learn to never give up in the face of challenges. Her story teaches us the importance of courage and determination and the ability to seek guidance and support when needed. So thank you with this, and I request you all to please kindly subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. So telling you about my next videos, I'll be sharing you some application formats for class 5 only. Thank you so much.